Howdy, welcome to the Big Blue Workshop. Today I'm gonna do another yo-yo video. I did one in the past. It was back when I was first learning how to turn on my lathe. Did a few things different. I have since started selling yo-yos, and I call them the Lucky Penny yo-yo. And yeah, I put a penny in each one, and of course I face the head up because when you find a penny, the lucky pennies are the ones with the head facing up, not tails. So different way I do this. I do turn them completely on the lathe. I don't use a router anymore on these particular yo-yos. I find that I can get a little bit cleaner edge on them. They spin a little bit smoother. So take a look, see what you think, and don't forget, click subscribe. Thanks so much. I've told this story before, but you know, I met the world yo-yo champion when I was 7 years old. A guy named Bunny Martin had an impact on my life. He used it for ministry, so I did so when I became an adult. I taught Sunday school and did yo-yo tricks for the kids. And now that I'm making my own yo-yos, it's still this labor of love. I sell them for $10 at the Grapevine Artisans Market. And it's really fun to be able to teach kids yo-yo tricks and introduce them to something other than a screen-filled game. You know, if you like this video, definitely subscribe. Take a look at some of the other videos and come back and comment. Let me know what you think. Have a great day.